What's up guys, welcome to AB Auto. We've got the lovely 2019 C43 right behind me here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at 5 handy things about the C43 AMG that you might not know. So let's go. Okay, so the C43 can do this. And this. But the C43 is not just a monster to drive and an absolute blast. It's actually pretty practical too, and there's some really cool stuff. So let's explore. So the first thing I want to show you guys is the shopping bag holders. So if we open the boot up here, like magic. Okay, so if we jump into the back of the car now, the first thing I want to show you guys is these handy little hooks here. They can hold your shopping bags. There's one on the left side and there's also one on the right side. Now this is the saloon model, so it doesn't have it, but if you have the coupe, I think instead of the hooks on the side here, you get one just here that hangs down so you can hang your bags directly. So these hooks are actually pretty cool. I'm just going to give you a quick demo now with this lovely Sainsbury's carrier bag here. So you just pop it in and then you just pop the hooks on here like so, and now that bag is protected, and when you drive around it's going to move around. Your shopping's not going to go everywhere, which means you can drive Sport Plus when you come home from buying shopping. How handy is that? Okay guys, so the next thing I want to show you is these cool little collapsible crates that you get free when you buy a brand new Mercedes. They come in the car, so if we open up this bit here and we pull it out, we have this crate here, which is quite small in size. It fits in lovely there. So it opens up, so boom, 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 and you've got a crate there, and you can put your bags in it, you can put anything in it. Really handy if you're out and about and you haven't got a bag and you just need to grab something to pop it in to stop it moving in the boot. So this is what the crate looks like in the car here. It's even got a little Mercedes logo on, if you can see it. It's official Mercedes stuff. I don't know how much these cost to buy separately, probably a ridiculously overpriced amount, but yeah, they're really handy, and it collapses down really easily too. You just pull this bit up. I'm doing it with one hand. One hand is always fun. So you just pull that bit up and then it goes down like that, and then you can pick it up, then you pull this bit up, doing this all with one hand, and then it just slots down in there like so. Easy. So if you want to look cool in your brand new AMG, you're going to need a pair of funky sunglasses like these here. But what do you do when the sun goes away and you've got nowhere to put them? Well, don't worry, Mercedes has got you covered. So if we jump into the car now here, there is actually a really funky cool little compartment up here. If we just press this button, it comes out, and your sunglasses go right in here like so, and then it closes up. And there you have it. You have your own little sunglasses case. How cool is that? Okay, so the last thing I want to show you guys is secret storage. So you've got your glove box here, you've got your storage compartments here, and then in the center here you have got this nice big compartment. It opens up very nice. Now you don't usually look at it from this angle because you're in the driving position, but I have recently discovered that there's actually a secret shelf here. You might not be able to see on the video, so if you've got one of these cars, then have a little feel around. It's even got a little surface so you can put stuff. So you could easily store, say, coins if you want to hide them. You could put a coin in there. Get another one. I don't know if you can see that on the video there. It's probably a bit too dark. But if we go in, you can see you've got the coins there. It's quite deep as well. It's quite a nice little hidden storage area. You could put pretty much anything in there. So yeah, that is handy, isn't it? We'll just close this, and there we go. Right, if we go into the back of the car now, I'll show you some more secret storage. So obviously you've got these nice little cabbie spaces here behind the seats. The one that I really like is just behind me here. So if you pull down the center back seat, you get this nice armrest, which you can use for your arm, but you've also got some cup holders here, 1 and 2, which are pretty cool. This all feels quite nice high quality plastic, and it's soft, and this is nice material here as well. But if we open up this compartment here, you've got some more secret storage. You could store quite a few bits in here, and it's even got a lovely carpeted feel on it. It's really high quality, this, and it's really sturdy as well. So yeah, you could store a number of things in here. So I'll close it back up and show you how easy it is. Bam. Isn't that cool? And there we have it, guys. That is my 5 handy tips for the C43 and the C-Class range. I hope you liked this video. If you did like the video, then please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps me and the channel out. And if you also like this video, then of course you can subscribe, because we're going to be doing lots more content on the lovely C43 here. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great weekend and take care.